just me, coming out to nature at small little presqele in Marquette, Michigan. See the pretty trees? Oh, it's so beautiful out today. So I thought I would do some light language in the trees. The pretty orange you can see in the background. So we can bring in some creative energies and some yellow for owning your power and green for healing. Ready? Okay, ready? I'm gonna connect. Please, unicorns, fairies, yeah, to bring in some creativity. Activate, activate, activate our 24 strands of DNA. We can say hello. We can bring in some Sasquatch. Say hello, Sasquatch. Because you're here too. So you can say, what did you say? And they are sending you lots of love. Me too. Love, 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 love. Hallelujah. Look at that loving in nature. So, you guys, just breathe in all the awesomeness of the nature and the sound and the awesomeness, okay? And all the pretty colors. Lots of green. Probably another week or so, it'll be like lots of orange and reds and yellows. We're in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, okay? So, signing out. Peace out. We'll talk to you soon. Bye. Love you all. Sending you lots of love and light and miracles. Miracles. Miracles.